Welcome to budgeting. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're talking about something super important but also super fun, your very first budget. Now don't roll your eyes just yet. Budgeting isn't boring at all. In fact, it's like creating your own personal superpower plan for money. Imagine being able to buy the things you love and still save for the future. That's what budgeting does. It helps you take control of your money instead of your money controlling you. And guess what? You don't need to be an adult to start. Teens like you can totally do this. Step 1. Know your money. Okay, step 1. Before you can create a budget, you need to know where your money comes from. Do you get an allowance? Maybe you earn money babysitting, mowing lawns or doing small jobs. Write it all down. This is called your income. Fancy word, right? Even if it's just a few dollars a week, it still counts. Knowing exactly how much money you have coming in is the first building block of your budget. Remember, every superhero needs to know their power level before going on a mission. And your income is your power level. Step 2. Track your spending. Now step 2. You need to know where your money goes. Do you spend it on snacks, video games, or maybe saving up for new sneakers? Tracking your spending is like being a detective. Write down every dollar you spend, no matter how small. A soda here, a game there, it all adds up. When you track your spending, you might even discover some sneaky money leaks. Little things that eat away at your money without you noticing. Spotting those leaks makes you the Sherlock Holmes of your own wallet. Step 3. Set your goals. All right, step 3 is the fun part, setting your goals. What do you want to save for? Maybe a bike, a cool gadget, or even a future trip. Write it down and give it a price tag. Having goals makes budgeting exciting because now you're not just saving money, you're working towards something awesome. And here's the secret. When you see your money growing toward your goal, it feels like leveling up in your favorite video game. Each dollar saved is like earning extra points toward winning the big prize. Step 4. Make your budget. Now it's time for step 4, making your budget. Here's a simple way. Use the 50-30-20 rule. That means 50% of your money goes to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings. So if you earn $10 a week, $5 goes to things you need, $3 to fun stuff, and $2 to savings. You can adjust it, but the key is balance. A budget isn't about saying no to fun, it's about making sure your money lasts longer and helps you reach your goals. Step 5. Stick to it and adjust. And finally, step 5. Stick to your budget and adjust if you need to. Life happens. Sometimes you might spend a little more, and that's okay. Just look at your budget, make small changes, and keep going. The most important thing is not being perfect, but being consistent. Remember, every great hero trains to get stronger, and every great money master practices their budgeting skills. The more you do it, the easier and more fun it gets. Final wrap-up. So, there you have it, your first budget as a teen. Step 1. Know your money. Step 2. Track your spending. Step 3. Set your goals. Step 4. Make your budget. And step 5. Stick to it and adjust. Budgeting isn't about limiting yourself, it's about unlocking your money superpowers. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Until next time, happy budgeting!